Imagine reaching the airport and finding that flights cannot take off. Hospitals cannot access important systems. Banks are facing delays, and office computers are showing the same blue screen. And the reason? Not a cyber attack, not a power cut, just one faulty software update. Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and today we are looking at a major global technology outage and how ISO 22301 can help businesses prepare for unexpected disruptions. Now, what actually happened? In 2024, a leading cybersecurity provider released an update for its security software used on thousands of computer systems. But the update had a technical fault. Instead of working normally, computers started crashing and displaying the famous blue screen of death. Airlines, hospitals, banks, and offices across the world suddenly faced major operational problems. One small software update created a global business disruption. The problem was bigger than technology. The main issue was not only that the computers stopped working. The bigger issue was that many businesses were completely dependent on those systems. When the technology failed, employees could not access important data, customers could not receive services, and normal operations came to a stop. This raised one important question. If your main system stops working, can your businesses still continue? But this software is not used in our business. You may think this case is not connected to your organization, but your company could face a server crash, internal failure, cyber attack, power cut, flood fire, or supplier delay. The reason may be different, but the result can be the same. Your businesses may stop operating. That is why every organization needs a plan before the problem happens. And this is where ISO 22301 helps. ISO 22301 is the international standard for business continuity management. In simple words, it helps organizations prepare for disruptions and continue their most important activities. It helps businesses answer questions such as which operations are most important, how long can they remain unavailable, what backup arrangements are available, who will manage the situation, how will customers be informed. ISO 22301 helps businesses move from we will deal with it when it happens to we already know what to do. Know what must continue first. Not every business activity is equally important. For example, a company may manage without internal reports for a few days, but it may not survive if customers cannot make payments or receive essential services. ISO 22301 helps businesses identify their most critical activities. This allows the organization to focus on restoring the most important services first. During a crisis, priority creates clarity. Now always have a backup plan. Imagine your payment system suddenly stops working. Can employees use another system? Can important work be completed manually? Is customer data safely backed up? ISO 22301 encourages organizations to prepare alternative arrangements in advance. A backup plan should not only exist on paper. Employees should understand it, practice it, and know when to use it. Because saying we will manage somehow is not a real plan. Now give everyone a clear rule. During a major outage, confusion can make the problem worse. Employees may not know who is in charge, who should contact customers, or who should communicate with suppliers. ISO 22301 helps organizations clearly assign responsibilities. Everyone should know what to do during a disruption. When roles are clear, the team can focus on solving the problem instead of asking, "What am I supposed to do?" Communication protects customer trust. Customers understand that problems can happen, but they do not appreciate silence. During a disruption, businesses should clearly explain what happened, which services are affected, and when the next update will be provided. A delayed service may frustrate a customer, but no information can damage trust even more. Now, test the plan before the real crisis. Many companies say they have a backup plan, but when was it last tested? Does the backup system actually work? Do employees know their roles? Can important services be restored quickly? ISO 22301 encourages organizations to test their continuity plans regularly. It is always better to discover a weakness during a practice exercise than during a real emergency. Now, does ISO 22301 stop every outage? No. ISO 22301 cannot prevent every software failure, cyber attack, flood, or power cut, but it can help the business respond in a more organized and controlled way. The aim is not to create a business that never faces disruption. The aim is to create a business that knows how to continue and recover. Hope is not a continuity plan. One faulty update affected computers, flights, hospitals, and businesses around the world. It proved that a technology problem can quickly become a customer revenue and reputation problem. ISO 22301 helps organizations move from "we hope nothing goes wrong" to "we are prepared when something does." So here is the question. If your most important system stopped working today, how long could your business continue? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm Akanksha Mishra. Subscribe for more real business case studies explained through ISO standards, because strong businesses are not those that never face disruption. They are the ones prepared to continue and recover. That is all about today's session. Thanks for watching.